Hello, Mike with Fuse here, and today we're talking about Ductless. It's been very popular this past 2 years because the climate changes, work at home, so many different things, or sometimes you need a small office in your garage so you can go and work there and you need Ductless. You're not going to install the whole system, central one for that, because Ductless is less expensive, very efficient, it could be zoned, and it's easy to install. So we in our showroom put different units here because we have customers once in a while that want to come and take a look at it. We also use it as our test center so we can test the equipment. Once again, we like to put all the fancy latest equipment so we can test it and see how it works. Here we have this, one of the maybe the most popular unit we've been selling is this. This one is called ceiling cassettes. In the past, most of the Ductless units were installed on a wall. They also have the ceiling cassette. So if you have an attic, you can put this concealed ceiling cassette right in there so it doesn't have to be on the wall, or you can put it on the wall too. So they make ceiling cassettes, wall units, they have a floor unit, we don't have it here, they have a floor unit, and different kinds of units. You can connect multiple to the same one. So you have one outdoor unit and you can connect different sorts of Ductless units to that. Very convenient if you want to do zoning, if you want to have, let's say, 4 zones in your house, and all rooms have different temperatures because of the sun. So some is warmer, colder, or if you have kids and they want different temperatures, so Ductless is the way to go. And we carry different brands. We carry Mitsubishi, Carrier, Daikin, and a few other brands, very energy efficient. I want to show you one more floor unit that is very cool that we've been installing. This unit here, it's called a Pocon. It's not a Ductless, but it's sort of similar. It doesn't have an outdoor condenser, so you can put this unit right to the wall, and that's it. This is the whole unit. There is no outdoor. It's 2-in-1, so you can zone it. We have customers that got like maybe 4 or 5 of those and they put them in different rooms, and you can also do the Wi-Fi control, obviously, so you can use your phone to work with this unit. Those units as well, if you put the modules, so very flexible, can be zoned, and they work on their own, so different filtrations. Something I do like about the Ductless units is each room has its own unit, meaning that you can filter the air in that room. Because when you do that central single system, it works for the whole house. It's not as efficient, not as clean. But in this case, if you only working in one room and you want to clean air all the time, the Ductless is the way to go. So I would highly suggest you consider that as an option, and if you have any questions, you can come to our company here, our office, take a look at it. Give us a call, go online, submit a request. We'll come out and do an assessment for your project and provide you great prices, quality service, like we always do, and take care of that as much as possible. Please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. Thank you.